All right, BENEVE marketing system users, what's up, my friends? Joe Dickinson here, and in this video, I want to give you a lay of the land, so to speak, on the marketing system, all the features it has to provide. Make sure your account's set up properly, which, by the way, you can't really set it up incorrectly, so you're all good there. But just kind of walk you through and give you a full glimpse of this thing, and then point you in the right direction of what you want to start doing right now, like today, to start generating more leads to help with more customers and more business builders coming into your BENEVE business. So if that's something you want, then listen up and check it out. So first order of business is, if you don't have an account yet, just go to mysystempro.info or reach out to your upline or someone. They might have a referral link. But get in here, get yourself activated with a free trial, and then from there, I'm going to walk you through what to do. A lot of these things I'm about to show you, by the way, should have been set up when you are setting up your account. So just be aware of that. When you come in, you enter your BENEVE username and whatnot. We're going to verify it's all inside of your account. But a lot of this stuff should be done right out of the gate when you're setting it up. So with all that being said, first thing you want to do when you're logged into your account here is click on this little icon here, which will update when you upload a photo into your system, and I'll show you how to do that. But first, go to your account settings. Make sure all this stuff looks good. All right, so just run through this stuff, make sure it looks good. The reason for that is this information will show up on pages. So if a lead is on some of your pages, and I'll show you some of them in a bit, like if it displays your name or your phone number, your email, etc., whatever is in here is what's going to show up on those pages. So make sure that it's accurate, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing is we're going to skip dashboard, and we're going to go right to configure site, and we're going to go to basic setup. Right here, make sure that your BENEVE username is in here and your company ID is in here. You could just put your ID in both or your username in both. That would also work. But the reason for this is that way if someone clicks to buy a sample or buy some product or sign up, it's going to go to your BENEVE replicated website. So make sure that's set up. Right here, set up lead alerts. So if you want to get an email and a text message every time a lead comes in, which I recommend, it helps you guys stay on top of things. And the speed to lead is so important. The moment you guys generate a lead, yes, the system is going to communicate with them for you via email and if you set up text message. But guys, there's nothing better than you seeing a lead come in and immediately reaching out to them manually with your phone. And one of the best ways to do that, I recommend, is hit them with a voice message. If you've got an iPhone and voice messages work really well, send them a video message. Stuff like that just works super well versus just the basic text messages going out to leads. So that's just a little pro tip. But main email address, make sure you put whatever email address you want lead alerts to. And then if you want phone or text alerts, depending on your carrier, it doesn't work with every carrier, but most it does. But what you'll do is you'll pop your phone number in here, but make sure you follow the proper format. In other words, if you've got Verizon, right, you would go down to Verizon here, you would enter your phone number at vtext.com. So you'd pop your phone number at vtext.com, click enable, click save, and then you'd be good to go. Then you want to proceed down to here to make sure you do this. So upload your photo and then add your social links. To do this, what you would do is click on upload photo. And I wouldn't just recommend uploading a photo. You've got to resize it so it fits nicely on your page. Super simple to do though. So what you could do is you could come over into Facebook right here. All right. So you could go ahead and grab this link or this photo. Like if you want to grab your profile picture or whatever, you can just click this open. And then you can just right click, do save image as, save it to your computer, and then come over into here and go to picresize.com. And basically, you're going to upload your photo. So there's going to be a little box. You'll click to upload it. And then right here, where it says resize your picture, you're going to click on custom size. You're going to put 200 in here. Keep height blank. Click on I'm done. Resize my picture. It's going to compress down and resize that picture. Then you're going to click on save to disk. It's going to save right here to your downloads. And then when you come back into your marketing system, let me actually slide this over so I can click on it. So you're going to come back into here and you're going to click on browse and you're going to upload that resized picture and it's going to show right here. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to search for resize. Give it a minute while it loads up into here. All right, so here it is. So I'm going to click on this, click on save, and then it's going to pop up right there and we are good to go. So we've got our photo set up. So we're going to come back to configure site, basic setup. See how my photo shows up here. So we're good. And then we're going to go to my social links. And the big ones you need to worry about would be like your Facebook URL. So you're going to want to come over to Facebook. You're going to want to grab your profile right here. And the reason for that is because if we have anywhere on these pages where it says like, click here to connect with me on Facebook, like a lead would see, click here to connect with me on Facebook, and it would then show your Facebook page. So that's what you want to do here. You're going to come back over in here, pop that in there. And then you get the idea. You can put your Instagram in here, whatever you would like inside of here. And if you got any questions on this, of course, at any point, you can always reach out to us by clicking on Visit Customer Support and submitting a ticket. But you're going to click on Save. And then we're going to proceed right along. So we just set up that stuff, so you're good there. Now we're going to jump into my marketing pages, and we're going to go to lead capture. Now this, because I'm going to have additional videos on this training, but this is going to just walk you through an overall look at these. So here's the deal, guys. My marketing pages lead capture. These are all the pages that you're probably going to want to go ahead and lead with or share or run traffic to or whatever. I've got another video specifically on this page for sure. On this training page, you can access it. But inside of here, you can browse all of the different pages that we've pre-built for you. So for example, like say you wanted to have in your Instagram bio, right, some copy that said, click here to learn how to earn money online or something like that. You'd have to make sure whatever you say is compliant. But from there, you can go ahead and say you liked this link right here. You could post this link here, and you can see it says, work online, stay at home, discover the company that is rewarding people financially for sharing their high-impact products. Show me how this works. So if you put this link in your Instagram bio, and people went to it, and they clicked on this, it would ask your lead for information, so they would pop their information in. All right, so let's just say a lead put their information in, and then they clicked on send it my way. The lead would then see this right here, and then this person would drop into your CRM. So if we scroll back over into here, and we go over into contacts and leads, you're gonna see the lead will show up inside of here. Now, I've already opted in with this, so you can see this is where I show right here. Is actually today? Yeah. So anyways, there you go. So if you click on this, you can then see all your leads information and all that kind of stuff. So that's the idea. And then your lead would see what's called this tour page, which basically just educates them on BENEVE, the opportunity, showcases the products. It's a great page. This would link out to your BENEVE replicated site if users clicked on any of these. So anyways, that's the main idea. If you go to lead capture, there's a whole bunch of different pages that you can choose from. Again, there's another video on the training page that walks through these more in depth. These are all those capture pages. As you can see, they look great on mobile. These ones are all more of these textable links. So this is more for if you're sending out text messages to friends or people that you know in your phone and you want to introduce BENEVE to them. These are some great video pages that you can push out to leads to get them to be like, I want to know more about this. So that's what these are. So again, watch the video that explains more about these to get some more information on that. But that is your My Marketing Pages lead capture pages. Now, if we go to main links over here, this right here has a bunch of good main links that you're going to want to take a look at. So we've got the BENEVE tour page, right? So the page that people see after they opt into your capture pages. We've also got this scripts page right here, which we've got a training video right at the top that walks you through how to use these. But this guides you on how to get conversations open with people on your phone. So go ahead and make sure you watch that training right here. It'll give you great insight on how to go do this. Let me slide this up a little bit. Oh, sorry guys. Hold on a second. Let me come back over into here. And then you've got your referral link. So if you have anyone on your team that you want to share the system with, you can go ahead and grab this link and send it over to your team members. And then as long as you get 3 people, your system is free. So it's a pretty cool little referral program. Everyone has to pay their first month. But after that, if you have 3 people at the end of the month that are active, that following month will be free for you. So a great way to be able to get a free system. And you probably want your people on your team using this system anyways to help drive results, right? So that's that. So that covers this section. You can go build your own pages and stuff inside of here. I'm not going to go into too much detail there, but that's what that's for. If we go to email and text, this is where you can see the actual emails that we've pre-written for you to go out. So we've got the opportunity drip campaign. There might be more campaigns in here by the time you watch this video, but in a nutshell, you can see what the emails are that go out to your leads, and you can edit them however you'd like. So if you want to edit these, you certainly can. If you want to have a text message go out to your leads, just check this box on and type your text in here. So you could say, hey there, I see you're checking out BENEVE. What questions, do you have? Text me back at, and then you would put your phone number here, whatever it is, you know, whatever, John, Joe, etc. So anyways, that's that. So that's how you would send a text message to go out as well with any email. So you would click on save, and then that would go out to your leads. So if we come back over into email and text, that's what the message campaign section is. You can also email a broadcast out to all the leads that come in. So there's another video on that you can check that out. If you want to know more about these features, go dig into those videos. That will help a tremendous amount. And that's really that. Now, what I'll tell you is this, to put a pin in this video. Any questions that you've got on whatever it is, guys, feel free to reach out to us. We've got a full support team here. We work usually 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time. So if it's outside of those hours, there might be a little delay in getting back to you, but we're usually super quick. But all you got to do is click on Visit Customer Support. We'll take care of you. And that's that. So watch the other training videos. Get into this. Your next step would be to basically... I would say go check out the scripts page right here and keep watching the videos. If you're on the training page right now, keep going through the videos and get yourself educated on how this works.